See you back on my channel, guys. Channel Excel. In our video of times, I will discuss how to give a password of Excel files. So here is my file. His file name, that is some. If we open it like this, then it immediately opened up, not asking for a password. So that this file is password. I will give you the password. I changed the file name first. Click File, then select Save As. Then select Storage Location by clicking this P. I put it in this folder. Then I changed its name. I give a name. The new file, I changed the name to password sum. Next, there are tools here, friends. So you guys can go for these tools. Select General option. There is a password to open. Yeah. Because we want to create a password on our file. Then we choose the password to open. We type the password name. For example, I type it like this. The password to modify is empty. Meaning, we don't want others can modify our files. We just empty it. We fill in the password to open only. Then click this OK button. Re-enter password to process. Meaning that friends enter the same password with previous password that we typed earlier. I put it in. Well, after I enter with the same password, I click the OK button. Well, next, we change the name of the new file. Then we click the Save button. Well, after we click, we just close the Excel file. We are trying to open the file. We just named the password sum. This one we just double-click. Well, she will ask for the password. Why, friends? Yes, according to the password we made earlier. I put it in. Then I click the OK button. Well, open up, my friends. Here's how to give a password on our Excel file. I hope this tutorial is useful. For those of you who have just discovered this channel, please subscribe, turn on its bells to update our latest videos. Thank you.